All right, today is December 11th, 2024. Look like we had another red day yesterday. I thought it was just one big thing, but we had two red days volume wise. But look like we're probably gonna absorb because if this is a spinning top here, it's absorbing here, but I don't know what it's going into. Maybe we're actually selling off. I don't know. We did break somewhat of a small uptrend, so let's look at NQ real quickly, and no volume there. All right, so NQ is not bouncing off of any of the levels that I have here. But ES is going into that level there. Look like it might be bouncing. So look like it's absorption. Something's happening here. We're going towards the weekly, towards a weekly low here. We're way below the previous day weekly low, and then we steered away from all-time highs. This is the selling I wanted to see happen. I think I missed this on the 9th. I think something came up where I couldn't be there. That happened. I think that happened midday. On the 9th. Yeah, it happened mid. No, it happened. No, actually, yeah, right at the open, it happened. Boom, price sold off, and then we had another thing here where price eventually sold up again. Now we're bouncing off, so this is an interesting spot. There's no volume in this bounce, but there's volume into it before we bounce. So I'm gonna clear up my charts and see what all can I work with. All right, let's get rid of that. These here. All right, let's just get rid of all the noise that we can. That one. We'll redo the high volume one in a bit. I'm just gonna keep it this so I can remember. This one can go. All right, so there's no selling down here. The selling should be up here. Selling up here. Selling should be up here. We do have potential buy here. This is a 30-minute that bounced up. Hasn't cleared that one yet, so that's also important. If we stay in this range, we might. If we stay in this range, anywhere between here, this is buy and sell. So once we get above it, I'll look for buys. Once we get below it, I'll look for sells. So right now we're just ranging. So now that I cleared up the chart, let's go back and look at the daily one more time. 1 minute, I wanted to check something. 10. 5 minutes of sell and then buy. Then we bought right there, right? We had here, right here, right? Yep. Sell, then buy, and then reversed. I've been seeing a lot. Strong sell. Strong sell. Weak buying into it. Broke the channel. So okay. So things are starting to click a little bit more. So no need to rush. Strong sell. No sell. This is a sell. Wait. Buy. Price went down lower and then bounce. Okay. All right. So we have sell here and today's levels here. Let's see if price holds. Let's go to the 4 hour. You see price look like it's holding on the 4 hour. I don't have any RSI nodes popping up. But price did buy down here right before market close, it seems like. Let's go to the 1 hour. Very strong buying down here, but need to get above this. All right. Very strong buying. Sheesh. All right. So, but to be inside of it is crazy. To the 30-minute, and this is where I actually starts my things. So this one here, we were at a 30-minute level. All right, this will be 30-minute. End of day volume. Like that. Get down to the bottom. Let's get rid of this. This is the low. Let's go to 15 minute. No, looking for strong volume. Oh, it's very strong. We're above that one. .5 minute. Back to 30 minute real quickly. Get that. Strongest volume here. 15 minute. Very strong volume. 125,000. 99,000. Right here at the close. All right. 5 minute. Sheesh. 7,000. 90,000. .1 minute. Okay, so this is the only thing that's stopping us. 15 minute. .3 minute. 15 minutes. Okay. But I don't have anything to tell me anything. I don't have anything to tell me anything. Exactly what you heard. Okay. I got my highs and my lows. No, I don't. I got my low, no high. All right. I'm going sideways right now. Got my 30. No, no, nothing there. I don't have anything. High and low, settlement price. Let's get that. I'll still fuck you up. There's a lot of resistance down here. All right, so I don't see anything. So I can see we do have this weird trend line happening. I'm gonna mark it. I don't want to neglect it and it end up being something that I should have marked. Kind of like have this weird thing here. So I gotta see if we can get it cleared this. I'd like to see price continue higher. Get rid of this previous settlement price. Clear that. Yeah, if we can get above that, I'd like to see price continue higher. There's nothing really there to stop us. There's nothing there in a sense. We do have this. So let me mark this 1 minute. I don't want to neglect that, and I end up regretting that. Even though it's minor, it's still something. If we start moving up, we can hopefully blow through it. But I'm just gonna mark it up. All right, so that's about a 10-point move. We really like to see it come up to here, 20-point move, and probably a little higher. All right, because I don't think we have anything else after that. All right, so that's it for ES. Let's go back to the daily trend lines, news. News does come out in like 9 minutes. Weekly, I didn't do weekly. I don't think I need to do weekly because we're basically just dropping. I'm going through the weekly ones. This is the weekly high. This is a weekly low. So this previous 8 weekly. So I was a little bit off. So if we hit that, we might bounce. If we break it, we might drop. All right, that's pretty much it. Okay, that's already been set. I thought so. All right, let's go to NQ. So NQ is inside a larger range, has not really gone lower as opposed to ES. ES has dropped lower. Um, just in 2 days. Sheesh. Um, still way up there. I think this one started over here. Yeah. So this one barely moved. ES did drop a lot more. Okay, after that, 2 hours. We do have volume here. I do gotta clear this chart because what a move. right? So I got a lot of clearing up to do. Look like we did come to that area I've had marked, a pretty big area. We bounce off of it. Still a lot of potential buying here. All right, so for NQ to break, it has to like I guess keep chopping away before it can actually set it up to sell off. There's a lot of buying down here. It's a lot. Let's drag this out. It's probably gonna just keep chopping away, chopping away, chopping away, kind of like how we did here before I broke down. So cleared that, came up, and then probably found some selling on a lower time frame, dropped. I was trying to like just clear all of this. So it's a lot here. So this is still a potential buying zone here. Um, I can see we don't have an end of day volume like we did with ES. The volume's here in a higher time frame. On the 1 hour, it was actually over here on ES. Um, let's go to the 30-minute. Still looking for a strong end of day volume. I don't have anything here. 3 hours, still looking kind of interesting. All right, let's clear the charts. So we got news coming up. So news could probably destroy that entire buying thing down there that we got going on. Just that CPI coming out. A lot of news coming out. I don't know if I showed it, but if I didn't, all right, 8:30. Here we have one, two, three of them. All right, coming out soon. So that could just destroy the entire thing there. So let's do the highs and my lows, as always. High, low, settlement price. Boom. Okay. So we're gonna look for a strong volume. We don't have one yet. It's still weak. Strongest volume is this one. I'm gonna mark it. This is the 30-minute strong volume. Respecting that one. Like that. Okay. Let's go to the 15-minute. Very strong volume here, but we cleared it. Strong volume down here for end of day. All right, so it's pretty decent. Let's go back to that 30-minute. I know I remember seeing the red, okay, but it wasn't. It was cleared. Still looking weak. We do have that same uptrend happening. I'll do it on the 5-minute. All right, so let's reduce this. Wait 1 minute. Let's go back to 15 and 30. Cleared it. 30. Cleared it. 5. All right. Let's bring this to the top of this, which is 21373.75. 21373.75. Like that. Uh, 5-minute. Okay. So we cleared that on this one. There's nothing there. All right. So buying is a higher chance down there. I don't have anything here besides that 30-minute strong volume. I do love this strong 5-minute that came in. Let's see where this is here. We cleared that, but this one right here, that end of day volume is right there. All right. Let's just borrow you. mark that. Boom. All right. Then I should just be marking just the side that I'm having the issue with. All right, but I don't know. I'm gonna leave it the way it is for right now. Let's go to the 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute mark. Nice bounce. We cleared. Very tight range with the 1 minute. Strong volume. I got my high, and then we went straight to that one, so I'm just not even going to change it. I'm going to change it to the low. All right, so that's the low there. Okay. Okay, now let's go back to the 30-minute. Okay, go back to the 15-minute. Nothing's really sticking out. Go back to the 5-minute, add a trend line. I'm liking that. Okay, let's do this, and news is coming out. Let's see. Whoa. Let news do its thing. It's essentially done. While it's doing this thing, I'm going to work on VIX on my other side. See, this is what I wanted from VIX. Nice roll over and down. Bring ES up. This is what I wanted from VIX the other day. All right, so just gonna let price do its thing. See how price, work around those levels as news comes out, creating more of a buy thing. So essentially, that's pretty much it for my levels. Pretty much it for my levels. I just did VIX here. All I did was add the high and the lows. That's it. I didn't do anything significant. News is coming out as I stated. So I'm gonna let news do its thing. Let people digest that. We were holding that. Didn't expect it to just move like this. It's not a big explosive move. What is that? 9 points. I would have loved to got that. Should have loved to have gotten it down here, but who to say that I would have caught that down here? No, that 14 point. I'm gonna have to clear that. Probably could have found something similar here. Not sure, but it is what it is. Right now we're just waiting. I have a bit of time left still in my hand. Let's see what anybody's saying on the Discords. Before I wrap this up. Today, the NQ trend line retested at 21,370. Probably around here today. Probably yesterday. 2370 mentioned yesterday morning and in YouTube saved the day for the bulls yesterday. The lag in VIX continue. The NQ line remains very key in case CPI triggers a move lower. Also, keep a close eye on VIX, which the news sparked a move. When the news sparks a move, if it continues to fail near weekly highs, bulls will have a much easier job defending dips and sustaining volume and rallies. Which I am looking for longs, but uh, I do have my short areas, which are gonna be targeted soon. I said NQ was very strong, so I was looking for longs. But maybe we will do the continue chopping away before we move lower, or maybe we'll just be reversing. So that's it for me for today or this morning. Be back in the evening.